We are going to make a smiley face on rock. So for this we need a one rock, three colors: red, black, white, and a brush. So first we apply the red color on rock. We paint it as you see. This is very easy. So let it dry, then we apply one more coat on this rock. Now it's dry, we are going to apply red color again. So the next step is make the eyes with white color, then we use black color. We make a circle. It's very easy. Now we apply black color on white eyes. Now we're going to make a smile with black color. As you see, it looks very nice. Now it has done. Thank you so much.